look at the Plymouth Duster here. The season is pretty much over where I live, and we'll be taking this off the road in the next week or so. The plans for this project is to finish up the interior. So right now you can see the seat covers, and there's no rear seat. So we'll be pulling. Before we get too much farther in the video, please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Also, in the description, you'll find a new merch link to the apparel store for JCR. The seat's out in the coming weeks, just to resolve some of the damage. There's some gauges not fully working. The door armrests aren't on. Rear seat, like I said, but this will all get tidied up in the next couple of months, as it's project season for the Duster, and the upholstery will be coming in from Legendary Interior very soon here. Tighten up some mechanical and give it an overview, as it's been driven a fair bit over the summer here. Some other small bits and upgrades as well. Probably do an oil change, re-grease the front end, and retorque some bolts. And we'll proceed with getting this Duster all finished up. Please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Also, in the description, you'll find a new merch link to the apparel store for JCR.